Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's me Divya Saigal, your trainer. Today I'm back with a very interesting and unique video. In this video, I'll show you how to make the skin tone very smooth without making any change in the actual skin texture. Guys, this video is very special to me. If you have not watched any of my other videos, that's okay. But make sure you watch this one. Hope you will enjoy this video. I request you to watch this video till the end for a magical result. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share, which will give me motivation to make more interesting videos on other softwares as well. So without any further ado, let's create with Divya. Alright, straight up just jump into Photoshop. I have opened an image of a gorgeous model revealing her face. As we can see that there are lots of pimples and blemishes on her face. I'll try to remove the blemishes and smoothen the skin. There are so many techniques in Photoshop through which skin toning can be done, but I'll work on the easiest and quickest way. So let's create magic now. Select the background layer in the layer panel and make a duplicate of this by pressing Ctrl+J on Windows and Command+J on Mac. I'll always try to work on the duplicate layer instead of original layer for backup purpose. Now select the duplicate layer and invert this by pressing Ctrl+I on Windows and Command+I on Mac. Yo, it looks so scary, but trust me, the final result will be so much beautiful that will blow your mind. Now set the blending mode to Vivid Light. Now the image has become worst, but have trust on me, it will become so much magical in the end. Now go to Filter, Other, High Pass. Give it the suitable value. Lower value makes the image sharpen and higher value makes the image smooth. So I'll go with the higher value. Let's keep it 25. Now go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Set the values according to your requirement. Now here is opposite. Higher values makes the image sharpen and lower values make the image smoother. So I'll set the value between 3 and 4. Let's set it to 3.5. It will smoothen the pores of the skin, but texture remain the same. Now this is gonna do the magic. Now skin smoothing is done, but the issue here is that the smoothing effect applied to whole image, including hairs, eyes and clothes, which is not looking right. We only need to make the skin smooth. For this, press Alt button on your keyboard and click on Create Mask option at the bottom of the layer panel. It will create a negative mask on the layer. Now select the brush. Make sure the foreground color is white. Adjust the properties of the brush as per your requirement. Now just start painting on her face or neck skin area. You can see that the painted area is turning smooth. It is the same area on which we applied Gaussian blur and then created a negative mask on it. Painting will reveal the visibility of mask in that area. Let's avoid painting over the eyes, lips and eyebrow areas. If the avoided area is painted by mistake, We can repair it by making foreground color as black and repaint on that area. Guys, I am doing it very slowly so that I can show you in detail. You can compare the difference by turning eye on layer on and off. If it looks overly smooth to you, you can reduce the opacity of the layer accordingly. Now the main goal is done. I'll add my flavor into this artwork now. I'll do some color correction to make it more enhanced and appealing. Like always, I'll do some little R&D on it. If the image looks okay to you, you can quit the video here only, else join me in color correction as well. According to my requirement, the final image is done now. I hope you have liked this tutorial. That's all for today's video, guys. I'll be back soon with another interesting video. If you have not subscribed yet, please help me by like, subscribe and sharing my video, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for more interesting videos. Thank you for creating with me. Keep creating new things. Stay tuned. Bye bye guys. Take care.